Introduction to OneNote 2013. So what is OneNote 2013? If you haven't used it before, the one thing you might notice is that it reminds you a lot of the older versions of Microsoft Word and other word processors. That's kind of what it is as well. OneNote 2013 is a very basic software program that allows you to use it like a notebook and enter text. You can also use other features such as creating tables and entering pictures. But unlike other word processing programs, you can write anywhere in the document just by clicking where you want to type. Also, there's no need to save, as the data is saved automatically. The data in OneNote is structured like a notebook, and the interface also looks like a spiral notebook, where you have sections, folders, and pages. You can use the notebook to take notes, but you can also use it to collect material from other applications as well. That being said, it is important to remember that OneNote is used for taking notes, while other word processors such as Microsoft Word are used more for publishing. You should know what touchscreen devices are and the basics of how they're used, such as tablets and smartphones. You have a basic knowledge of how to use the internet and also have a basic knowledge of Windows 7 and 8. You will need this to download the program even for a free trial or to use the web app of OneNote. You know what an app is. You know what Android is, and that it's an operating system from Google that runs on smartphones and tablets. You know what iOS is, and that it's an operating system from Apple that runs on iPhones, iPods, and iPads. OneNote 2013 comes bundled with the Microsoft Office suite of software products, just as it has with previous versions. However, with the launch of Office 2013, Microsoft made changes in how they sell their most popular software package. You can download a free trial by simply going to the Microsoft Office page, picking out what version you want to try, and then downloading the software. You don't need a credit card for this. If you want to purchase the software, Microsoft now gives you several choices. You can buy individual programs from the Microsoft site, such as OneNote, individually. You can do this without buying the entire bundle of Microsoft Office. Or, as always, you can buy the software either online or from most Office supply or computer stores. The price to buy the software may vary depending on which version you wish to purchase. There are 3 versions: Home and Student, Home and Business, and Professional. As with other versions of Office, it's a one-time charge and the software is yours to use as long as you wish. You can also buy a subscription to use Office 2013 and OneNote. With Office 365, you subscribe to the software instead of just purchasing it like you've done in the past. You can pay for your subscription by monthly or yearly on the Microsoft Office website. The price of your subscription will be determined by the version that you want. Once you purchase a subscription, you'll be able to download Office 2013 on your computer, just as you would if you had bought the software in store. As part of Office 365, you'll also be given multiple licenses, which will give you the ability to install the software on other computers as well. For the home version, you get up to 5 licenses, whereas the small business version comes with 25 licenses and mid-size business for up to 300. There's also an enterprise version for larger companies that offers unlimited users. Once you subscribe to Office 365, you'll never have to worry about purchasing a new version of Office ever again. When a new version comes out, your software will be updated for you. So what's new in OneNote 2013? If you've used prior versions of OneNote, you will probably be pleased to learn of some of the new and improved features that come with 2013. We're going to cover the new features here and then incorporate them with the course as we go along. One of the new features of OneNote 2013 is universal access to your notebooks and information. This means you can now access your notebooks from anywhere that you can access a computer using Sync to Cloud or Windows Live. You can also sync your files to file shares, USB drives, and SharePoint. You can also access or edit a notebook from a web browser, even if the computer you're using doesn't have OneNote 2013 installed on it. If you have a Windows Phone 7, use Microsoft Office Mobile 2013 to access your notes from anywhere. You can view, edit, and create notes. Improved sharing and collaboration. Multiple users can now edit notebooks. This is great if you want to work on a notebook from both a desktop as well as a laptop, or for teams who use and share a notebook for brainstorming or collaboration. New content in a notebook is automatically highlighted so you can view what someone else has added. Also, similar to Microsoft Word, if another user adds content, it's indicated by a small color-coded bar with the author's initials so you can tell who added what to a particular notebook. There's also versioning support, so you can show previous versions of a page. This includes who wrote it and when. Changes that are related to a previous version of a page are also automatically highlighted. There are improved ways to find and organize your notes. OneNote 2013 has section and page tab improvements to make it easier to create new sections. There is also a better visualization of the tab hierarchy. You can also collapse groups of subpages and insert new pages anywhere in your page tabs. The fast search gives you a quick way to find information in your notebooks. The search results will appear as you type. You can search based on notebook names, section labels, and page titles. If you're the author of a page, you can also search by when the content was added. You can also create links to the existing pages in a notebook simply by typing the wiki link syntax, which uses double square brackets. You can also do this by going to the Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Importing information into OneNote 2013 has been made even easier as well. You can use Send to OneNote from Outlook and Internet Explorer. In addition, you can print any document or file directly to OneNote 2013. The quick filing pop-up allows you to choose where in your notebook you want to import something. You can also search your quick filing locations to find a specific section or page. Linked note-taking and easier research is also new. You can dock OneNote to the side of your Windows desktop, which means you can have it appear alongside other windows such as a web browser or Outlook. If you are in docked mode, OneNote 2013 automatically links the notes you take to whatever it is you're looking at in the other window. OneNote 2013 wraps text outlines to fit to the window size when there is one outline on the page. There is also improvements to make editing easier. OneNote has a gallery of styles such as headings. They're only basic styles, so they're not the wide variety you see in programs such as Microsoft Word. Another change is to the bulleted lists. Now the indentation of the first level of bulleted items in a list exactly matches the indentation of previous text. OneNote now gives you the ability to add mathematical equations. This is helpful if you want to add math as part of your notes. There's also a mini translator, which lets you point your mouse to a foreign word or phrase and get the translation in a small window. If you have a compatible computer running Windows 7, you can scroll and pan the pages in OneNote 2013. You can also use pinch zooming. By making a pinching gesture with your fingers, you can zoom in and out on a page. There are also navigational enhancements which have been made in OneNote 2013 to improve the experience for touch-compatible PCs and operating systems. Other improvements to the interface include the usage of a ribbon to provide access to the toolbars and features you need to use, just the same as other Microsoft programs. If you're not used to the ribbon, once you acquaint yourself with it, you'll see it makes it quicker and easy to find what you need. You can also customize the ribbon so it shows the tools and commands that you use the most. As with other Microsoft Office 2013 products, you also have the Backstage view. This is where you can manage your files as well as set up your program and notebook options.